So I've been waking up early almost all my life, but not by choice. Nowadays, excite me to wake up early because of the routine I built. And I've been doing this for several years, like waking up at 5, at 6, at 7, try different type of like habits, like first thing waking up, first thing like doing breakfast, different type of habits. But finally, I kind of like build a routine that it's perfect for me, that excite me to do it like every morning. So in this video, I want to show you the importance of build a routine, especially for you. And by the way, I will introduce myself. My name is Lily, and this channel is all about providing honest content and advice and real life experience about navigating in your 20s, how to enjoy yourself, but also how to discover more about yourself while you're in your 20s. So I'm all about that. I'm almost ending my 20s, so I kind of have a lot of like things and experience that I would love to share. And yeah, so let's do it. Most of the YouTubers tell you how to keep a consistent morning routine, and I tried it, but didn't last more than a month. I feel bad every time that I couldn't keep up. Until this year, I understood that I'm not built to have a consistent morning routine. So after I discovered that, I built an inconsistent morning routine, which I stick for more than 3 months, and it's been amazing. So before me getting into that, let me explain you something. This is basically the foundation of how you can build your morning routine. So it's important to understand that we not only depend on our physical body, but also on the spirit's mind and emotional body. So here is a list of daily practices for each body. So in my case, most of the time when I wake up, my mind is all over the place, telling me all the things I have to do in the day, and it's kind of annoying because I just wake up. So for that, what I do is a morning page that help me to slow down my mind, to stop rushing and stressing me out. The next thing I do is a gratitude journal, so I can focus in the now and appreciate what I do have and look at the big picture. Also, I check my feelings and any belief I have about myself. So in that case, I usually do meditation, affirmation. Also, I dedicate time for myself. So someday I wake up and I do a bit of qigong or go downstairs and take 10 minutes walking, which help me to like wake up my body, boost a bit of my energy, and kind of like slowly waking up my organs. Also, another thing I do in the morning could be like have a reading with a nice of coffee or tea next to me, and depending of what I'm craving in the day, that's what I do as breakfast. At the end of the day, for you to build a morning routine for yourself, you have to take in consideration how you feel in the day, because we don't wake up every day in the same mood or in the same way. And also you have to take in consideration the four body, which I explained before: your mind, your physical body, your spirit, and your emotional body. So depend on how you feel in the day, you can mix a bit of practices of each body, or you can focus in the one that need the most. So this is how I build my inconsistent morning routine. I call it inconsistent morning routine because each day look very different. The important thing is like I take care of myself and I put myself as priority in the morning, so I can start my day taking care of myself, and then I can take care of the other things up in my life. The other important part of my morning routine is the organization and planning of my day. After all this, I actually sit down and schedule my day. I open my planner, and the first thing is to schedule my workout. I decide if I'm going to the gym or I'm going to stay home and do Pilates, and then I write down all the tasks. So if I did a morning page, maybe I would check on that, write down any task so I don't miss that. And then I open the Google Calendar to set a time for all the tasks so I can see it from my phone. And always leave some space to kind of like freestyle and be more flexible, or I change my mind about certain things. And that is my inconsistent morning routine. It might be not perfect, but hey, that's the whole point. I'm not looking for building morning routine that is perfect. I just looking for building something that actually fit me and make me happy and make me excited about my day. So actually this helped me to get a lot of things done because I check on myself first and then I check on the things I have to do. So I'm okay if I just skip one day and sleeping or take a day off so I can rest. So I hope this video helped you to build your own morning routine, and remember that this whole journey is yours and only yours to recognize your own improvement. And I cannot say this enough, that consistent doesn't mean every day. And every day the way you show up for yourself look very different. Thank you for watching this, and I see you next time.